Guys, I said to this man over and over, so you don't give a man money? The man say, before he give me $1, before he give me carrying $1 and drink it, the man say, two will live a foreign, and the two will work. And he not give a man money. So me say, me must lie down and open my legs for you to have sex with me over and over again. For nothing. And on top of that, you're using my immigration status to beat me day in and day out. You go out. Y'all when the relationship go out. I may go to work, yes, your man had me there. I am working for what I want in life. As if I need a sweetie and my money, I have to buy it. Right? Sometimes when this man figure out work, the man not gonna work. The man they are motel with woman. Nobody did to come and tell me anything that was going on. God showed me everything. God point me right in the direction. God opened my knowledge for me. Because I put all my trust in God when I was going through my immigration. And as I'm sitting here, today is October 16, 2025. And my immigration status is still being used against me. Because we're still living in the same house. We're still sleeping on the same bed. And I say I'm not opening up my legs to you. Sometimes you get up and go and say, go sleep like you're zero. You're not gonna give me nothing. Give to other woman. You tell me, say, you not a cheat. You tell me, say, you're not a cheat. You tell me all the while, look at you, look at you big and fat and sour. Let me not go on a gym. If you use it over my head every time that I started to believe that nobody would want me. Nobody don't want me. I was a broken vessel. I lost myself. I didn't know who I was. At one point, I lost myself. I didn't know who I was. The only thing I know is being verbally abused constantly. Every minute, oh, I'm going to divorce you. Using things to check me, I'm going to call immigration upon you. Because what? When I don't open my legs. When I don't open my legs. And every time, oh, so we're married for then. I have to do everything for myself. I have my parents in Jamaica, my daughter. And me, some of the year I'm married. My marriage costs me every $1. He need to contribute not even the money for the married license or the birth certificate. Until when I get married, I'm going to nothing. Him say, if him get a ticket down there when him drive him car, I would have to pay for it. The very suit that he was married in, it was his married suit from his previous marriage that he cheated on his wife with. The woman that was moving out of the house when I was moving in, that was the woman he cheated with on his wife. He was cheating on the wife with that woman. And cheating on that woman with another woman. And when that woman find out that she's been cheated on, she called the wife. She called the previous wife and tell the previous wife. And when he went home, he wanted to put his hand on the woman. The woman called the police and he spent a night in jail. I had called the police on him in 2023. Because guess what? I never had thought of calling the police on anybody. Or especially on my husband. That I love, that I share a bed with, that I do everything for. Cook, wash, clean, do everything. Because I am that girl. My food never out of house. My house never out of food. Right? But things was getting out of hand. This man used to come in constantly being drunk all the time. And come in drunk and want to have sex with me. I say, as much as I lost my self-esteem, I will not sleep with a junk. I will not let a man put them junking hood inside of me. I stand my ground. And when his demand was not met, him start trash the house, mash up TV, mash up this and mash up that, over and over and over. I became so angry that I start getting panic attack. I had to rush to the hospital how many times? First time, I thought I was having a heart attack. He was the same one bring me over to the hospital. I ran out in the rain. I didn't know what was happening. We were in an argument. And people, my mouth no join church. My mouth don't join church. Because I use my mouth to defend myself. Because he's telling me things and I am telling him back. I had to sit down and be walked over. But at that time I did not have a choice. I tell myself I wasn't going to do no vow. I am not going that road. I'm in a bona fide married. It's the first time I'm getting married. And I'm married to an older man that I thought was going to teach me a thing or two in life. Or responsible enough to settle down. Because you're 20-something years older than me and I thought you was that man. And I'm saying, okay, is the oldest man I'm going to be with. Maybe we don't have to have sex often, da 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 da. I never know that I was with a whore. I was with a whoring man that can't keep his dick in his pants. Him tell me all the while say him not impotent. A lot of time we're having sex. I feel like I was being literally raped over and over again. That's how I feel. My body become numb. Sex is so hurtful that I can't wait for it to be over with. Because I'm just lying there and taking it. What else am I going to do? And as I said, I'm not going to do no vow. Vow was not an option for me. I lie there and I take that sex over and over again. And then I go bed and cry like crazy. Tears was my best friend. I had no best friend. A few people know what I was going through. I bear everything. This was when I get my green card and go to Jamaica and surprise my family. And then I went to Jamaica with him the following December. My parents know the separation that I was going through in a thing called marriage. Because I went to Jamaica with this man and this man have 3 women at Jamaica. 3 women. One we left on the 20 years ago. But then still the way send money go give. In baby mother will come from England and one next woman up a town. And me and this man got Jamaica for vacation and this man left me a country every minute in their town. And up there, woman and pop fight over him. His daughter told me all of that. Because the woman we left down there, Jamaica, and that woman used to take care of the daughter. That woman grew the daughter. And him fight for the daughter and the daughter here. But him and the daughter doesn't have a relationship. Because when the daughter was living there, him carried several women come to the house while the other woman did their work. That is the woman that was moving out while I was moving in. And the daughter was still living there and he carried woman after woman. Daughter said she could not take it. She moved out. And when I confronted him about it and make it known that I know, him say him a pay the rent. Him say him a pay the rent. So him never care. He never care if him 14-year-old or 15-year-old daughter want to hear him grinding over and over again with different women. And him blame the daughter and think of the daughter tell the woman say him a carry woman coming to the house. Imagine the woman by the bed and you carry woman on it. Remember him tell me. And all of these things I have on video. Say when me gonna work him carry woman come at the yard and me can't do nothing about it. I said no problem. Guys,
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And I hope you don't feel no pain enough. If you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do, go check the doctor. Go to the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come if you have the money. If you don't, make somebody bring you to the doctor. And as always, guys, you know me always a beg you if you do wellness check with your family and your friends. Make sure on your families and friends. Alright, all on your enemy, because mental health crisis is no joke, not a joke. And you don't know Christmas a come, Jamaica, set up on yourself, look out for anybody who no can look out for. If you don't have no money, remember what you do. Pray for them. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, guys, I personally don't know where to start in this video. Yeah, man, I personally don't know where to start in this video. You know, see where me have on? You know, see where me have on? Me just feel like I want to put on this today. Guys, I make a video, you see, and the video me make the video because me cannot understand why three ladies, and more of them too, but me only don't know about them. Me can't understand why when a woman come out and say, woman or ladies are lady, come out and say she was abused mentally, physically, and I don't know why when woman ladies come out and say that. I don't know why other females, other ladies, some of them, not all, have to take the side of the man and not the side of the woman. Even though each and everyone have their own opinion. But my thing is, why the females, some of the females, take the side of the man? I come up with a conclusion, and I heard one individual tell me this morning that most of the women are ladies, are women who support these men, are men used to, are still living in that same situation, and that's why I know, and that's why I make the video that I make. My viewers and subscribers, there's many women, many ladies out there still living in these kind of situation right now as we speak. My viewers and subscribers, I don't know if you can see the TV. I don't know if you can see the TV, but today I'm going to talk about a lady. You know, see the video when I show, the first video when I show when it just started. I'm going to show another one. However, before I really get serious in the what me or talk about, is see this lady, Karen by birth. Karen by birth. Remember that name. She have a YouTube channel. And before me say nothing about her YouTube channel, when you watch the video when me just post a while ago, yes, that's Karen. She been through it. She's still in it. But she says she not back down from nobody. And she go talk her truth. Even when people bash her, she go talk it. So here what me want to do, I mean ask you know, she need 1,000 subscribers to be a part of the monetization of her channel. Also, she want 4,000 watch time so that our channel can be monetized so she can tell, her story, so she can help other ladies, other females, other women who are go through the same thing where she is going through, and some of what most are some of what she's going through right now, because you don't know everybody's situation is different. So what me a beg you to do, all of my viewers and my subscribers them, me a beg you, me a ask you please. By the way, remember we only have a couple more days before Christmas, and Alicia Kim still not get the all of the subscribers what she wants yet. Come on, man, give her the 150,000 Christmas present. Remember, give her the Christmas present, man. Anyway, when me a ask you if you do, go over to our channel, Karen by Birth YouTube channel. She have a TikTok channel too. But right now we are talking about the YouTube one, because she want her YouTube channel to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time, so she can get to tell our story, because our story no normal. Our story is not normal, and remember this. She married to a Jamaican man, not an American, a Jamaican man, similar to Mackie. Listen what me I say. Why is it that, listen me now, me Jamaicans, brothers, and me Jamaicans, brothers, me I'm not really brothers still, because if you know do the woman them kind of things, and as a matter of fact, me now want me and no brothers. Jamaicans. Yeah, Jamaicans. Why when you know buck up on the Jamaican women, Jamaican ladies, or any lady at all? It's not a matter of only Jamaican. Why when you know buck up on them and they need no help? Why you know have to use them? Why you know have to abuse them? Why you know have to do them like you know do them? Aya. Why? Why you know have to do them like you know do them? You know have to do them, some man. If you don't want the relationship, just tell them, say, you can't help them. If you don't want the relationship, make you know, say, make them know, listen what me I say, make them know, say, me no want to know, but me will help you, but you have to give me such money, or me have to get me sex, or whatsoever you want to do. Tell them, so that they can make up their own mind. So they can say, do I want to do that? Yes or no. But why you have to tell them, say yes, you want the relationship, when you know you don't want the relationship. You don't want the relationship. But you're bringing these people, you're bringing these ladies in our own life like that, and then knowingly that you do not want the relationship. This lady have some story to talk about what the man where she married to have done to her. Guys, I, I am going to talk about a few of the things that she said has happened to her. However, I want her to really talk her own story. So I'm going to I'm trying to help her channel for it to grow, so that she will be able to tell her own channel, not her own channel, but on her own channel, by saying what she have gone through, what she have been through, how our husband treat her, how our husband handle her, how our husband manipulate her, how our husband mentally fit. I don't know, hold on a little bit. Mentally, I am not going to say physically, because I haven't listened to any of her video that she said he have done anything physically to her. I haven't heard that. But if that happened, she will let you all know. she will talk to you all about that. So, guys, I just don't understand why a man from the same country would do a woman from the same country like how these men are doing to these ladies. Now, right now, as we watch, as we look on her and here, she have one that says, one of her topic. It just posted 2 days ago, but it haven't have any views as yet. It says, side chick, the lady husband not eating from. I am my husband karma. Is not every woman a fool? Then you over here and says, when I speak about abuse, it's both man and woman get abused, which is true. My viewers and subscribers, she go as far as said that when the man, hold on, stick up in here, right here. Let us talk about something. This lady, husband that she have now, because she's still married, I think she's still looking about her papers and so on and doing some things. The man that she married to, this is his third marriage. Hold on, man. This is his third marriage. Now let us talk about Maki. Alicia Kim is Maki third marriage. The only thing about it is Maki divorced Alicia Kim twice, but one of them wasn't. So that's why there is 4 divorce. I have talked to another female, another lady this morning, which her ex-husband married 3 times too. So as you realize what's going on, most of these men that you see married 1, 2, 3, 4 times, you guys need to make them go about their business, because all they're looking for is you all to be their sugar pan. Come, listen me now, man. Listen me now, man. All they want is for you guys to be their sugar pan. So, guys, when you meet a man and him say he married 3 times, 2 times already, make me tell you something. If you like what you see, Bounty Killer did a song said take a slap and go on. So if you feel like you want to get physical with him, listen me good, me I be honest. If you feel like you want to get physical with him, and as a matter of fact, you know what you do? Do not get no physical with him. Go about your business. Go on, walk fast, run, fly. Let me tell you something. Act like you are Bugs Bunny and run as fast as you can, because as you see, them man there is the man them where disrespect. Them man there is the one where I manipulate, where I beat the woman them, where I take advantage of the ladies them right now. This lady said that the man that she with was married already. My viewers and subscribers, this lady said when the man and her visit Jamaica, she got Jamaica with her husband. And her husband got cheap on her with a woman which him used to have a Jamaica. As a matter of fact, a 3 woman him have a Jamaica. And the woman go to Jamaica with her husband, and her husband never do not more and gone to Kingston, gone cheat with another woman. Sure. Hold on, man. Listen to what me I say. This lady say, when she a move in at the house, one woman a move out, the ex a move out. Sure. Listen to what me I say. And then, when you're done, you have Lady Kish, Ambitious Jackie, and Vibes with Rosa. 3 women helping Maki to chastise Alicia Kim, knowing that they too was allegedly in relationship that was treating them bad too. Now, my viewers and subscribers, make me say something to you about the one Maki. Maki, come here, come here, come here. So, my viewers and subscribers, will get ready to listen to this. Maki have make the women that he's been with throughout his life. Some of them, when he left them, some of these people have sleepless night. Sleepless night because they don't know if he's coming back, when he's coming, or what he's about to do. Because you see, the same thing that he's doing to Alicia Kim, he have done the same thing to one of the individual. I can say, listen me good now, listen me good. I won't use no names. But this individual told me that yes, I can say some of the things. And I'm going to do that. This is not the first bank account. And listen me good now. I was told to use all the information that was given to me. But I'm going to say allegedly, even though I have these documents. One of the relationship that Maki was in is not the first time Maki is taking people's money that wasn't given to him or isn't his. Because when Maki was in these, I can say these now, because to be honest with you, is not one person information I have. When Maki was in these relationship, Maki always have money problem. Always have money problem. One of the time they asked Maki to go get some money. When Maki go to get the money, Maki did not get the specific money that was told to him to go and get. Allegedly, let me use allegedly. Guys, I keep forgetting to say allegedly. Allegedly, Maki take more than what he should take out the account. Not knowing that the individual have a bank system that would let her know how much money was pulled from the account. And when the individual allegedly asked Maki about it, Maki said, nope, I did not take any extra money from the account. And when the individual says, then what is this? And the computer, what is this? Maki, you see that same look that Maki did on while talking to Alicia Kim about, and when he get upset and he want to come off about the bird, that same thing Maki did, and immediately left the room. Immediately left the room. Get upset. Didn't want to talk about it. Did not want to talk about it anymore. So he left the room. Not only he left the room, he went to Fort Lauderdale. As soon as anything happened, he run to Fort Lauderdale. However, let me say this to you all. These individuals let me know that they cry night, they cry day, they cry every single time he's not around because they don't know what to do. They don't know how to get rid of him. However, what happened is the money wasn't coming in like how it was coming in. And that's when he decided to move on. And why you think he decided that he want to move on? He cannot get to dictate that money because that money wasn't coming in like it used to. One of the marriage that he was in, he wasn't the one who asked for divorce. Yeah, he wasn't the one who asked for divorce. The woman divorced him before he could divorce her because she realized what he's about to do, what he was up to. Because he was disrespecting her, he was trying to manipulate, he was trying to take everything from her. And she realized it. Similar to Alicia Kim, who realized what's going on. Similar to how Alicia Kim realized who he is, that he's all about money and tried to save some. People may say she was hiding money. She wasn't hiding any money. She's smart. She have her head on her body. She realized because when you're with a man, and you realize that everything money, you have to realize that, whoa, you need to start to hide some of your money. She didn't hide anything from him. She outsmart him. She saved her money. It's all about her money. She did not do or act like, oh, Lady Keish act in her situation. She did not act like how Vibes with Rosa act. In her situation, she did not act like how Ambitious Jackie act in their situation. She act more smarter. And that's the reason why Alicia Kim is the lady she is today. She did not act stupid. She acts smart because she grew up with a smart woman. She grew up with a smart mother. She grew up under the roof of a smart woman. A woman who provide, a woman who grow her kids by herself. She learned from her mother. She learned from her mother. Stick up in my viewers and subscribers. Me need to charge my device. Give me a minute. I will be back. My viewers and subscribers. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. So in other words is, let me move these things. When Alicia Kim save her money and you all believe that you're going to chastise her because you're saying, oh, she did this, she did that. There is many women out there who is going through hell. There is many women out there who are going through hell. Mackie put these ladies through hell. Mackie make them cry day, them cry night. Let me say this. let me say this to you all. Some of these ladies, they cannot take to seem. So many, one of them, let me say this to you. One of these ladies said to me, is it possible that you cannot put him on your thumbnail? And I said to her, there is possibility that I go have to try to not put him on my thumbnails. The lady said to me, I understand that some you have to put him on there. She said she understand. However, she wish and hope I can figure out a way not to even to put him on the thumbnail. The viewers and subscribers, I'm trying to not even put him on my thumbnail. Because I don't even want him to be on my thumbnail for another woman to see him, for even Kim to even see him. Because to be honest with you, I wish I have the power. Let me say this. I wish I have the power to say, people, stop, go over and watch Lady Keish. Stop, go over and watch Room Ram. Stop, go over and watch Ambitious Jackie. Stop, go over and watch Vibes with Rosa. But I don't have that power. Because you cannot have a woman who have been through hell, and you have another woman I try to bring her down, I try to beat her down, I help this man, and then the one Lady Keish now I got talk about, oh, I did not know it was going to go this way. Three blind idiots, three blind fools, three blind Bartimaeus, them follow the little idiot and beat down three blind mice. See how them run. Why you come up now and come talk about, oh, you never know say that reach this way. Kim by Karen by birth. Karen by birth. She been through hell. She been through hell. She been in a situation. I want to know. I want to know. Go tell she say she shouldn't have do this. And who no live it? Eh? Who no live full no life? Who no go through a full no problem? And because of shame, who no want talk. Because of shame, who no want talk. But these ladies come out and talk. These ladies come out and talk. Me a man. Me a man. Me no care what you want to call me. Silver fox, pussy belly, puffy belly, pussy belly. Me no care where you want to talk. You have a mother. You have daughters. You have sisters. You have cousins. We are ladies. How you feel? How would you all feel if you see a man a drag your sister, a drag your daughter, a drag your cousin, a drag your daughter on social media? The same way how you help Maki drag Alicia Kim. That's why me there. And that's why me not going away. Me go continue, me not stop. Me go continue, me not stop. On the behalf of these ladies. Whether if, let me say this to you all ladies. If you don't want to say it, tell me it. Cause me not afraid of none of them. And if you don't want me call them name too, tell me their name. Give me their name. Let me tell them. Let me read out their name. Let me call out their name. Cause guess what? I one life me have. One heart. One aim. One destiny. I'm not afraid of nobody. Me not afraid to talk. And me nah go stop talk. Them could have sent me 100 message. I threaten me. Me them can't do me nothing. Because any day, any day me leave this earth, that was my day. That is my day. That's going to be my day. I me nah back out. Me nah back from none of them. Not one of them. Me go back from. Not one. My viewers and subscribers, listen to what me I say. Uno need to do something about Maki. Uno listen to him and how him talk about Alicia Kim little baby. Uno listen to him. Uno hear him a use blaspheme words. Uno hear him a put judgment. Uno hear him a bring judgment upon the little baby. And yet still uno have people out there, ladies out there. Hold on a little bit. Him I chastise the little girl, the little baby, the little infant. And did you see Lady Keish, Ambitious Jackie, or Vibes with Rose and make a video and say, Maki, no, you're wrong. You passed. You go too far now. No, you never see them make a video like that. No. You never go see them make a video like that because guess what? They don't want to look small. They don't want to look foolish. They don't want to look stupid. But let me tell you something. Be a woman. Be a woman and say, yes, I was wrong. Be a woman and say, I was wrong. If you stand up and say you was wrong, you was looking at it wrong, in cross the line, nobody now gonna beat you down. Nobody going to say nothing wrong. Nobody going to say nothing bad. All people going to say is you should have known that long time as a woman. But at the same time, you can feel peace in yourself. Look at your face yesterday. Lady Keish, when you are read and talk about how him say Trump a go come because you was in the same situation. You, Lady Keish. That's why you feel it that way. That's why you feel it. Because you is also a part of all of that. What was going on? What is going on? You have been there. You've been there. Yeah, you've been there. Vibes with Rose, I remember one time you promised yourself you wanted to go back to Jamaica. Why did you want to go back to Jamaica? When Curacao was hitting you, when things was going rough with you, when things did go bad with you. Why did you want to go back to Jamaica? Sure. Let me say this to you now. It is rough out there, and many females, many ladies out there is having a rough time. Karen is having a rough time. Alicia Kim been through it. I have talked to a lady this morning that been through it. You know what this lady said? And that video is coming. Don't want to miss that one. That video, you don't want to miss that. You do not, ladies and gentlemen. That video, you don't want to miss. When that lady said, this man lift her up, and fling her out the door. My viewers and subscribers, I go say something to you, say. None of you know how much time me cry, bawl like baby. Me a big man, 53 years old. None of you know how much time me watch these videos, listen to these people and cry. None of you don't know that. The other day, me I make the video and me have to cut the video and go away and come back and start the video. Go away, go cry. While me I make the video, me I cry. Me go away, go cry and come back. Me nah hide it. Me nah hide it. You think me hide it? Me nah hide it. Many times me I make this video, me make the video 10, 14, 15 times. Because me I cry there and me no want nobody see me I cry. Because me feel it for these ladies. Me feel it for these ladies. Me feel it. Listen me good now. A while back, last year, these times we were fighting Purple Heart for this little lady, for this little young girl. 13 years old, Purple Heart, we were fighting, and now you have some of these same people who were saying Purple Heart now is bashing Alicia Kim on the behalf of Mackie. Now, my thing is, my question about that is, this little 13-year-old girl allegedly was touched. And you're telling me that you were saying Purple Heart. Yeah, Purple Heart. But no, you're talking about Mackie. And the reason why you're talking about Mackie is because you believe that Mackie, this young lady, treat Mackie bad because Mackie divorced her. Now you tell me what kind of world are we living in when you have a man divorce a woman, but you want to chastise the woman because the woman was what? Hold on. Why are you really chastising Alicia Kim? My question is, why are you all really chastising Alicia Kim? One, Mackie divorce her. Two, Mackie take the bed. Three, Mackie take our money. Four, Mackie come on YouTube and disgrace her. I try to manipulate. I do all kind of control thing. I do all kind of things. Even I cuss her for her family. Even I go as far as talk about our mother used to be out on Airport Road. Then the one ram broke back the trucker one. The one when the dirty truck. The one that live in the truck. I talk about how our mother used to out pan and I laugh. I know me say so. Him say so. Why you are repeat it? Why you not say how you know that? You never ask a sensible question to the man. When the man talk about how the woman mother used to be out on Airport Road. I wish the woman would have sue you. You are talking about the definition of character. Definition of what kind of character? The woman say you take the bed and you come say you take the bed. Definition of what kind of character? You say you take the bed. You're a little idiot. You not have no sense. Them a talk about them not have no. You not have no sense. You not have no sense. You is an idiot. And then you have the idiotic people them round you, follow you and support you, and then then you have the whole heap of woman them under your comment section. By the way, hold on a little bit. My viewers and subscribers, I go say this. This lady said this to me, and up till now me can't believe that she said that. She said she don't like where Alicia Kim do to Mackie. Cause me don't call him that B-O-O name. Me don't call him that. She said she don't like where Alicia Kim do to him. So me said to her, what did Alicia Kim do to him? She said she believe that Alicia Kim used both. Oh, yeah. She believe Alicia Kim used Mackie. She said she believe Alicia Kim use Mackie to come America. So me say, and why you say that? She says, well, one is very old and she was young. So she believed that Alicia Kim used her. So I said, okay, so are you saying to me that Alicia Kim used Maki to come to America? And she said, yes. So I said to her, so let's say Alicia Kim used Maki to come to America. I said to her, should Maki at his age try to look as such of a young lady? She says, no. So I said, so why you said you think she used him again? Do you know this woman turned to me and says to me, well, I would do the same thing because me I try to find a man to get my papers. And me can't find a good man. Every time me find one of the man them just, as soon as they come and get what they want, then gone. This lady tell me say, she wish she would have find a Maki because she would have take a Maki to come a foreign. So me said to her, I said, but then why you really dislike Alicia Kim again? She could not talk anymore. She could not talk anymore because me said to her, I said, what's your real reason why you don't like her? The real reason why many of you don't like Alicia Kim is because she have done something that many of you cannot do, couldn't do, and don't even know how to do it. By getting way out of a marriage, a stupid marriage, a idiotic marriage, and prosper. Many of you come out of a relationship and you cannot prosper. And that's why many of you hate that girl. Me a man and me know that, and how you can know that? Eh? Me is a man and me know that, and how you can know that? How you no know that? My viewers and subscribers, me go left it right here. So until the next video, and remember, when me post the next video, you need to get on the popcorn, get on the popcorn, get on a towel, on a rag to wipe on your face, because where this lady I say, it no normal. This lady, where this lady tell me, no normal. Me can't believe say people really go through them the kind of something. When them come a foreign with the man where they married to. Me can't believe. So stay tuned for the next video. It may not be by the way, hold on. Just go and watch the video them. Because me come with all different kind of video. But stay tuned. And to all of the ladies them out there, see, where I go through hell, where I go through a lot of situation, physically, mentally, hold strong, you know. Hold strong. And remember this. Me dey here. Me there. If you don't want to talk, see the number, you see the number. If you don't want to talk, if you don't want to put no story out there, if you don't want me make people know what you know I go through, if you don't want to share no story, call me. Call me and tell me about the story. Tell me about it. Make me put it out there. Me not afraid. Me know how to put it. If you don't want to no name call, if you don't want, just tell me where you don't want go out there. And me will fix it and put it out there. But if you don't want anything, everything go out there, me can't do that too. Because remember this, I am the voice. I am your voice. I mean, now play. Me a stand up for uno. Me a fight for uno. Anything you want go out there. If you want to put it out there to feel better, I am here. If you want to feel like you dep on top of the world, I am here because guess what? You dep on top of the world. You a survivor. Remember this. Remember this. Remember this. Kim survive. Maki. Yes. Remember this. You know, Kim, wait, you there? You there? I want me see you. Yo, Kim, you know me, I wonder say, why you not do a I survive, Maki? Hey, Kim, all me think about is business and how to live and go forward. You know, Kim, you need, you need to make a small movie. A little, yeah, you need to make a series. I survive, Maki. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, stay tuned. No say a word. Just watch. You see me in a me vest. Yeah man, I'm a winter vest. Me inside still, but me just feel like me want to put this on. But you don't know what me say. What me say. What me say. Happy birthday to you. Yeah man, you don't know happy birthday to everybody out there. You don't know what kind of month this? Sagi. Yeah man, to all of the Sagittarius people them. Remember to like, share, watch, support the video. Enough respect. Peace and love. I'm out. Bye bye.